name is David Kumar. I am currently pursuing my degree in Artificial Intelligence and Data Science from Nitya Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Bangalore. My topic is about water conservation. This video will provide a comprehensive overview of water conservation, outlining foundational principles and practical approaches applicable across various contexts. We explore its critical importance in addressing global water security challenges, the diverse methods employed to reduce water usage, the technology that support these efforts, and the obstacles encountered its implementations. A structure to benefit undergraduate and graduate students as well as professionals engaged in environmental and resource management fields. The context offers both theoretical insights and actionable solutions by dividing into topics ranging from urban planning strategies to real world conservation initiatives. Readers will gain a clear understanding of how to manage and preserve water resources sustainability. The aim is to conserve and equip readers with the knowledge tools they need to contribute efficiently to water conservation efforts in their communities and career. Next one is fundamentals of water conservation. Water conservation involves a strategies and activities to efficiently manage fresh water to protect and sustain them for future use. It aims to reduce wastage, promote reuse, and optimize usage in domestic agriculture and industrial sectors. Effective water conservation requires understanding the water cycle, demand patterns, and the sources of water supply. It encompasses techniques such as rainwater harvesting, wastewater recycling, and the use of water efficient appliances and irrigation systems. By implementing these measures, communities and industries can minimize their environmental impact, conserve energy, and ensure that water remains available for vital ecosystems and human needs. Ultimately, water conservation is essential to promoting sustainability, resilience in the face of growing population pressures and climate change challenges. So, importance of water conservation. With increasing population and climate change effects, freshwater scarcity is a growing global concern. Conserving water supports ecosystem, agriculture, human health, and economic development. It limits environmental degradation and helps maintain biodiversity in aquatic habitats. Effective water management ensures equitable access, mitigates drought effects, and builds resilience in communities worldwide. Methods of water conservation. There are two types. First one is domestic practices. Fixing leaks remotely to prevent water wastage. Second one is using water saving fixtures such as low flow shower heads and dual flush toilets. Rainwater harvesting by collecting and storing rainwater for non-potable usage. Using grey water systems to recycle water from baths and sinks for irrigation. Turning off taps while brushing teeth or washing dishes. And the last one is using washing machines and dishwashers only with full loads. Second one is agriculture techniques. Drip and sprinkler irrigation to deliver water directly to plant roots efficiently. Mulching to retain soil moisture and reduce evaporation. Scheduling irrigation based on water forecasts and soil moisture levels to avoid overwatering. Using drought resistant crop varieties to reduce water needs. Implementing contour farming and terracing to reduce runoff and soil erosion. And the last one is installing soil moisture to sensors to optimize irrigation timing and amounts. Some of the technologies that support water conservation are: first one is a smart irrigation system. Utilize sensors and IoT devices to optimize water applications based on crop needs and weather conditions. Water recycling plants treat and reuse wastewater for non-potable purposes like irrigation and industrial process. Last one is leak detection technology. Advanced sensors and AI identify leaks early in distributed networks and reducing lossage. Challenges in implementing water conservation. First one is infrastructure limitations. Many regions lack efficient water delivery and a storage system leading to high losses. Behavioral barriers. Public awareness and habitats often hinder adaptations of conservation measures. Policy and governance. Fragmented regulations and insufficient incentives slow progress in water management. Role of urban planning in water conservation. Integrating water sensitive urban designs principles can reduce runoff, promote groundwater recharge, and enhance rainwater utilization. Green infrastructure such as permeable pavements and green roofs support sustainable water cycles in cities. Real water, real world water conservation initiatives. Some of the initiatives are community rainwater harvesting, local projects capturing and utilizing rainwater to reduce dependence on municipal supply. These initiatives involve installing rain barrels and large systems to collect rooftop runoff, enabling communities to store water for landscaping, irrigation, and other potable uses. Besides conserving water, they help mitigate urban flooding and improve groundwater recharge. A smart agriculture. Technological adaptation improving water efficiency in crop production by leveraging IoT sensors and automated irrigation systems. These technologies monitoring soil moisture, weather patterns, and crop water requirements in real time to optimize irrigation schedules and minimize waste. As a result, farmers achieve higher yields with lower water consumption and better resilience to drought. And the third one is industrial water recycling. Reusing treated water reduces irrigation, freshwater demands in industries, decreasing environmental impact, and lowering operational costs. Advanced treatment processes such as membrane filtration and UV disinfection enable safe recycling of wastewater for cooling system, cleanings, and processed water. This approach promotes sustainable industrial growth and helps conserve valuable water resources. Recommendations to advance water conservation. Policy reforms should incentivize water saving technologies, adaptation, and increasing funding for infrastructure upgrades. Education campaigns must raise public awareness about conservation benefits. Interdisciplinary research can improve understanding of water cycles and develop innovative solutions. A stakeholder engagement at community and governmental levels is vital to ensure sustainable water management practices. The future of water conservation. Innovative technologies, advances in AI, remote sensing, and desalination will enhance water management capabilities. Global collaboration. International partnerships will promote knowledge sharing and coordinated resource stewardship. Climate resilience. Adaptive strategies will be integral to managing the impacts of changing climate patterns. Thank you. That's all about my topic, that is water conservation.